Welcome to Knowledge for You. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. From its inception in the mid-20th century to its present-day applications and future potential, AI is transforming our world in ways we never imagined. Let's explore the history, advancements, applications, ethical considerations, and future of this groundbreaking technology. History of AI. Artificial intelligence as a concept has been around for centuries, but it was officially born in 1956 during the Dartmouth Conference, where the term artificial intelligence was coined. Early AI focused on solving logical problems and playing games like chess. Pioneers like Alan Turing, John McCarthy, and Marvin Minsky laid the foundation for what we know today. Despite initial excitement, progress was slow. The limitations of computing power and the complexity of human cognition posed significant challenges. This period, often referred to as the AI winter, saw reduced funding and interest. However, the advent of more powerful computers and the development of machine learning algorithms in the 1980s and 1990s reignited interest in AI. Breakthroughs and advancements. Fast forward to the 21st century, and AI is no longer a distant dream. With the rise of big data, improved algorithms, and the availability of high-performance computing, AI has made significant strides. Key advancements include deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, involves neural networks with many layers that can learn from vast amounts of data. This has led to breakthroughs in image and speech recognition, as seen in applications like Google Photos and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. Applications of AI. AI's applications are vast and varied. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and even predicting patient outcome. In finance, AI algorithms are used for fraud detection, trading, and customer service. Autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate and make real-time decisions, revolutionizing the transportation industry. Smart homes use AI to control lighting, security, and temperature, making our lives more convenient. AI-powered recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and YouTube enhance our entertainment experience by suggesting content tailored to our preferences. AI in daily life. But AI is not just about grand application. It's also integrated into our daily lives. Think about the facial recognition technology on your smartphone, the voice-activated assistants that set reminders for you, or the personalized ads you see online. AI algorithms analyze your behavior and preferences to provide a customized experience. These everyday uses of AI are so seamless that we often take them for granted, yet they showcase the power and ubiquity of this technology. Ethical considerations and challenges. While AI offers immense potential, it also raises important ethical questions and challenges. Privacy is a significant concern, as AI systems often require vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. How do we ensure that this data is protected and used responsibly? Moreover, there's the issue of bias in AI algorithms. If the data used to train these systems is biased, the AI's decisions will also be biased, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and lending. Job displacement is another critical issue. As AI and automation advance, certain jobs are at risk of being replaced by machines. How do we prepare our workforce for this shift? Reskilling and upskilling programs are essential to ensure that people can transition to new roles that leverage human creativity and emotional intelligence. Future of AI. Future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. Researchers are working on creating artificial general intelligence, or AGI, systems that possess human-like intelligence and can perform any intellectual task that a human can. While we're not there yet, advancements in quantum computing and neuroscience could bring us closer to this goal. However, the journey towards AGI also comes with potential risks. Ensuring that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals is paramount to prevent unintended consequences. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of artificial intelligence. AI is a powerful tool that, when used responsibly, can bring about incredible benefits to society. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Knowledge for You for more fascinating insight. Stay curious and stay informed. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world with Knowledge for You.